Hey guys, welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today I'm doing the coffee lovers tag. I was tagged by a really sweet fellow YouTuber, Jackie of All Things Domestic. So if you get a chance, swing by her channel and check her out. Also, I was able to talk my husband into answering these questions with me, and we had my son ask the questions. So I hope you enjoy.
Which do you prefer, light, medium, or dark roast?
Dark roast.
Medium or dark. You like it a lot darker than I do, but...
Yeah.
Coffee beans or ground coffee?
Coffee beans if I could.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just hard to do them fresh all the time.
Time.
Kind of a pain in the ass.
Espresso or drip?
Drip for me.
Yeah, I don't know. Drip's easier. The
Syphon.
amount of coffee that we go through, we can't do the better versions so much.
Syphon.
Syphon is the best, but we don't have time for it every morning.
How do you take your coffee?
Lots of cream.
I use cream most days. I like what's the Irish butter blended.
Oh yeah,
I like
they're called.
depends on the roast. Sometimes just sugar, sometimes nothing.
Cream or milk?
Cream, definitely.
Yeah.
Milk is too weak.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything.
How many cups or mugs do you drink a day?
Probably 4.
For you?
Yeah, I do about 4. Well, I use my big travel mug in the morning. That's 2 or 3.
I do 3 to 4 half cups.
Latte or cappuccino?
Cappuccino. I like cappuccinos.
Are lattes the iced ones?
No. They can be.
Latte.
Iced or hot?
It's like saying summer or winter.
Yeah. Iced is awesome in summer.
When it's hot out. But we do a hot coffee all through the year anyway.
Yeah, warm is cozy.
Starbucks or Dunkin'?
Big B.
Big B.
Dunkin's fine. Starbucks is alright. It's just usually crowded.
I've had Dunkin', I think, once.
I used to have Dunkin' all the time.
You did?
Yeah. Before we were dating, the Dunkin', it's not a Dunkin' Donuts anymore, but I used to stop on the way to work.
What is your favorite coffee flavor?
Coffee flavor?
Like hazelnut or
Oh.
French.
Well, French roast if it's from Big B. Just regular.
Yeah. Coffee flavored coffee.
Regular or decaf?
Regular. Decaf gives me the jitters.
I just don't see a point.
French press or percolator?
Oh, the percolator's good when we're camping.
The percolator did do good. It was good coffee when we went camping last. But I do like the French roast because it's fun.
The French press?
The French press, yeah, sorry.
That's the one that you have, right?
Yeah.
Keurig or coffee maker?
Coffee maker.
Yeah, never a Keurig.
Keurig's kind of a waste.
They smell. It smells like skunk. We have one at work.
Is that it?
Folks.
Cool.
That's all. Well, we answered those questions really fast and forgot to mention that we are trying to switch from the flavored coffee creamers, and we've been using just regular half and half or heavy cream with the coffee syrups, and I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but we've been using the Torani or Torani, and I've really been wanting to try the other kind, I think you say it Monin, I'm not sure, Monin. We really like the French vanilla flavor and the salted caramel. So I officially tag anyone who really enjoys coffee. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.